E46 M3. Looks pretty good, but the only thing I'm not big fan of is this headlights. There is a little bit too much of a chrome, especially the angel eyes being yellow. It kind of gives off the yellow hue, so if you like step back and take a picture of the car, you kind of notice that the headlights seem like a little bit of kind of like dirty. So in today's video I want to fix that. Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and in today's video we're gonna fix the headlights on an E46 M3, and the way we're gonna do it is just gonna be a plasti dip, but I'm gonna show you the process how I did it and what it takes. And while we add it, I'm just gonna change the HID ballast as well. And my HIDs, these are gonna be 55 watts. I'm gonna go a little bit brighter this time. Don't care if I burn the housing or not. And these are just generic ones I got off of eBay. And Plasti Dip I got off Home Depot. And let me show you the way car looks with the HIDs. Angel eyes on. Looks pretty good. I love the way it looks. But I think it can look even better if you paint the housing darker and around the HID projector darker, so you can even look better. So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna pop the hood open, get the bezels removed and the turn signals removed, and then we're gonna take off a headlight housing. Alright, I took out the headlights just to make it easy. 2 screws on the top, 1 on the bottom, because I didn't use 2 on last time. Same story on this side. And here are the headlights. Now you can see what I mean with the yellow hue, because you can kind of see it better. So now I just got to open the housing and mask off and start painting. Alright, now that we got the housing lens off, so now we just have to pull these black things off. And my headlights are, I think they are depot headlights, so they are not OEM. So I should be able to remove probably this angel eyes and then just paint the inside and around the bezel. So the angel's eyes just kind of like pop out. Put them up here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mask off everything around and just spray this thing and keep the projector clean as well. So I decided I'm just gonna mask off around here. Everything on the outside is gonna be masked off because I kind of do not want to spray a plasti dip in here because I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. So if it's in here, it'll be kind of easy to remove. So I'm gonna have like kind of like this chrome ring exposed, except the inner piece, it's always going to be black. Alright, one is done. I mean, you get the point what I'm trying to accomplish. This is all gonna be black. So I gotta do one more, and I'm gonna do this one off camera, and then we're gonna get to the painting. Alright, it's fully masked. So now, I'm just gonna start spraying it. Hope I don't mess up. It's already looking better. Light coats. Okay, now I'm gonna let this coat dry a little bit, and then I'll come back to it. I think they came out really good. I love it. So now next step is put everything back together and reinstall it on the car and see if it makes any difference. Exactly what I was looking for. I love the way they came out. So next thing, I'm just gonna put a new ballast and put them back on the car. Here is the finished product with the angel lights on and all black headlights. And let me turn them off so you can see how they look without angel lights on. Here are they without the angel lights on. My halos are a little bit like, still have the yellow hue because of the LED chips. I'm thinking I might just do like a frosted white paint on them. And here is the other side. I think it looks really good. Thank you guys once again for watching my videos and giving me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, peace.